Introducing the 2026 Seat Ateca 1.0 TSI SE. This sleek grey estate is packed with top-notch features like ambient lighting, cruise control, voice control, and more. From the convenient engine start button to the advanced collision avoidance braking system, this vehicle prioritizes comfort and safety. With a full multi-point health and safety check, servicing to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this stunning Seat Ateca. Drive in style and safety today.